Are you ready for a shock? Over a third of all Australian housing markets now boast a median home value of a cool $1 million or more. This isn't just a fleeting trend, it's a seismic shift reshaping the property landscape. Let's dive in. This data, current as of October 22, 2025, reveals that a staggering 34.1% of Australian housing markets have entered the $1 million club, a significant jump from 30.3% just a year prior. According to Cotality, this isn't just confined to the usual high-end postcodes anymore. It's spreading into areas that were once considered affordable, which is creating serious affordability challenges for first-time homebuyers. In just 5 years, the number of $1 million markets has skyrocketed by an astonishing 143%. This surge has been fueled by a national dwelling value growth of 46.8%, translating to approximately $270,000 at the median level. As of September 2025, nearly 42% of house markets and 13.5% of unit markets have crossed the 7-figure threshold. While Sydney still leads the pack, with only 15% of suburbs priced below $1 million, Brisbane has emerged as the standout growth market. Over the past 12 months, Brisbane has welcomed 37 new suburbs into the $1 million club. Conversely, regional Victoria saw a net decline in $1 million markets, with only 11 out of 278 suburbs meeting the criteria. The big price out. While rising property prices can mean larger loan sizes and commission volumes, the implications for brokers are far more nuanced. For many clients, especially first-time buyers and younger families, the dream of homeownership is becoming increasingly distant. Cotality economist Caitlin Ezzi points out that a household earning $106,000 annually would need to allocate over 50% of their pre-tax income to repay a $1 million mortgage, even with a 20% deposit. And this is the part most people miss. This figure jumps to over 60% with a 5% deposit, which is beyond what most brokers and lenders can reasonably approve. What's truly striking is where these new 7-figure markets are emerging. While inner-city areas remain expensive, the latest entrants include areas once considered within reach for many, such as Penrith, Sydney; Taylors Lakes, Melbourne; Oxley, Brisbane's Ipswich region; Upper Coomera, Northern Gold Coast. This signals a shift where price growth is no longer solely tied to prestige, but rather to broader demand and undersupply, particularly in family-friendly locations. Ezzi adds that while the prevalence of 7-figure property values suggests many can still access financing, the average age of first home buyers continues to increase. Home ownership rates have steadily declined, particularly among younger and lower-income households whose earnings struggle to keep pace with rising housing prices. With tight supply levels and additional demand from the expanded First Home Guarantee Scheme, values are expected to continue their upward trajectory through 2025, which will likely see more suburbs cross the 7-figure threshold. But here's where it gets controversial. Ezzi anticipates over 80 more markets will join the $1 million club by the end of the year. What do you think? Are these price increases sustainable? Share your thoughts in the comments below.